Hi, I'm Rick Payway, editor at JP Magazine. I'm with Christian Hazel, editor of Peterson's Four Wheel and Off-Road Magazine, and today we're going to be talking about the Trail Rocker kit from Painless Wiring.
So yeah, I mean, this is a really good solution to a problem that most modern vehicles have. First of all, when you're running electrical accessories, there's not a lot of room under the hood to make your connections. So unless you want your battery looking like a mess of spaghetti with wires coming off it everywhere.
And we've all done it.
Yep, and then you've got only so much room to get your wire packaging through the firewall. So what the Trail Rocker does is it gives you a distribution center here. So you're making one connection, a good heavy gauge 12-volt connection to your battery. You run your ground to that, and then you take the included wiring loom and you run it to your accessories. And here is your control center. This mounts above the rear view mirror on a JK specific bracket here. They've got applications for other vehicles, I'm sure. And you can control 8 circuits off this right here.
So you can run your lights, you can run whatever else you want.
Whatever you have that runs on 12
Air
volts.
compressors.
Hook it up here,
right.
And then boom, you're done. You've got a key on.
And it's all up here.
It's all within fingers reach, yeah. And then once you've made your connections, you can protect them with this.
This is really cool stuff. This is called Power Braid. It may look like an old fishnet stocking, but what it does is protects your wires from abrasion. Because it's full of holes, it'll actually drain the water out, which is really a problem when you start getting into connections. So this stuff, it gives you more than enough for the entire thing. It works really well.
Yeah, and it's heat rated up to a little over 250 degrees too. So if you have this running near your hot engine, it's not going to degrade or fail.
Right. And then notice all the connectors too are like OE quality.
That's OE quality connectors. You get a good solid connection here. And one thing Rick and I noticed.
That's cool.
We've got a momentary switch to operate your winch controller, so you can keep your winch operation up in driver's reach.
Right, should you choose to do that.
Yeah. If you choose
now, inside the box, what do you have?
We've got, take this off and you get access to the fuse panel.
And the relays.
So you've got relays here, and you've got your fuses for your accessories. When you're not in use, boom, that cinches down.
Yeah, and the important thing about relays is they are the ones that are handling the load. The switches themselves aren't handling the full electrical load, so these will last forever, where the relay is the one that's taking the power from the battery to the relay and right to the...
keeping all your high amp electrical draw under the hood where it's safest.
Rather than on these little wires that go up to the switch. So it really makes it a much safer system as well.
Yep.
Yeah, it's pretty nice. So we get to put it on our JK for a week to Wheeling, so we're going to get to work.